So make sure you watch this before you buy a set of studs for your valve pan cover. I got a bag of stuff from Tractor Supply. You can use all thread or whatever. Just find out what your bolt is that goes in your valve pan cover. And I got these. Okay, so what I'm going to do is cut the heads off of them and make studs out of them. That's basically all I'm going to do. And I got me some washers. It's pretty self-explanatory. And I have some nuts that fit. I'm just going to make my own size studs. Pretty self-explanatory. So let's get out here and make a set of studs for the valve pan covers. Basically all I'm doing is taking the nut and marking it where I need to cut it. And there's the stud you're left with. Like I said, you can make these any length you want. That's the best part about it. And you don't have any issues trying to figure out what length you want. So there's how tall my studs are going to be. So I'm going to make 3 more. Put the valve pan cover back on. All right, so the next question I know you guys are going to ask, how did you get the stud in? You just put them finger tight? Nope, you put one nut on there, put the second nut on, and what you're going to do is take 2 wrenches, tighten these nuts.
These nuts? Got him!
Against each other, and you can tighten the stud up. Now your stud is installed. Just go ahead and put your valve pan cover back on. This makes putting gaskets on and putting the valve cover on super simple. I know a lot of people say, why don't you just buy the studs? They're like $12 to $20. Well, these I can make for about $5, and I can make them any length that I want for any kind of valve pan cover. So that's why I just made them myself. And as you can see, they look pretty good on there. And I left them a little tall, but that's how you make them.